Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your OPPO Enco Air 3i. So, firstly, you need to maybe put your earbud to the charging case and make sure that it charged, because maybe you have just discharged earbud. Then you can also put it to the charging case, then go to the app and check is you have it here. Let's say the right one. Next is to perform a soft reset. You need to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. Now your earbuds disconnected from the phone. You can also check it in the settings. So if you have iOS, you will see text near to your earbuds that it's not connected. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends on Android phone. Let's say on Realme, you have just under your earbuds information that it used if it connected, and no information if it disconnected. After that, you just put your earbuds, you open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, so check is it fixed. Next, if it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to remove your earbuds from the case. At the back side, at the top, we have touch areas, right here and right here. You need to press and hold it for at least 15 seconds. So let's do this, press and hold. Here we go. Now, after that time, you need to go to the settings and then Bluetooth or connected devices. And we need to remove them from the phone firstly. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Also, you can tap on them, and if you have a connectional problem, that means that you perform a factory reset. So, information icon or settings icon, forget and forget. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to only go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them as a device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Then click Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!